We are at Keystone tonight. It's Sunday night. I think it's like the 10th March, and this is about halfway down one of the greens. We're taking it kind of easy. Probably not gonna hit a black. They look like craziness, so we're gonna do this. Mama should be heading down the hill, and here she comes. There she is. Say hi, Mama. She's ready. She's probably going to hit a jump here in a minute, do 360, 180, backwards tuck, flip flop, bebop. Let's see something exciting, Mom.
Something exciting, Mom.
Something, come on. These guys are cheering her on, too.
That's how I feel. Like a $100 bill worn out.
Woo! There she goes.